TY Cycles is a shop based in Chipping Norton, owned by myself and my brother Rob. We mainly specialise in bike hire, servicing and repairs. We've been working with Max now for a good number of years. It was great when Rob joined me and we become partners. My long-term goal, I guess, was to always have a family business. We have a good range of bikes, e-bikes, standard sort of touring bikes, electric bikes, road bikes. We do offer a breakdown service for anyone who's out there that might experience a mechanical issue. We do service each bike before it goes out on hire. It doesn't just benefit the customer, it benefits us because we're not, being called out to go and rescue them if they've had a breakdown. We're really spoiled in the Cotswolds. There's so many lovely sort of quiet country roads, country lanes, which arguably are so much better explored by bike. It's a really sustainable, eco-friendly way to travel. There are towns around here that don't have the infrastructure for large coaches. It's a more organic way to travel, and ultimately it keeps the local councils, villages, the people that live in the area a lot happier because their villages and towns aren't becoming gridlocked. You can go places that you otherwise couldn't go, which is so nice because there's so many sort of unspoilt trails around here that you just wouldn't see if you were travelling in a car.